If you plan to visit Kenya, that's what you can see just behind me, the lions. Just trusting this cage behind me. So ladies and gentlemen, those of you who want to come to Africa and see the animals, you see such kind of animals. And so let me show you again. They really want me to go inside. And if I go inside here, yeah. Me people, yeah man, looking good, husband and wife, female and male. Oh, this is nice. You can see them play. Listen to their voice. Yeah man. So these are the cheetahs. I've got a closer look. Yeah, these animals are deadly. If you just try going inside there, man. Got the baboons here, very friendly, and it's so big, man. Look at this one. Yeah, so you also need to be, yeah, I think that is the wife. You can see the female baboon there. I mean the male baboon. What's up, my people? Hope you're good and you're doing fine, man. This is a wonderful morning in Nairobi, Kenya. And today, I just want to go and visit Animal Orphanage. Yeah, there's a place in Kenya where animals, have been taken, and it's an orphanage. So it simply means that these are animals that have been taken care of, Some have got no, let's say, parents, or some have got no, like the animal kingdom, the community. So we've got animals that have been ostracized from their kingdom. So they are taken and put together and taken care of by, the Kenyan government. So there is a place in Kenya known as Animal Orphanage where many animals have been kept there and they are being taken care of. And so the public, we are allowed to visit that place at a very small fee and, just have some good time as you watch the animals. So today I'll be taking you through and I'm inside a car, a taxi. And so I'm heading to that place known as Animal Orphanage. So to all our people who are trying to visit Kenya, these are some of the places that you can visit and just have a look at the beautiful animals in Kenya. Yeah, we've got lions, we've got warthog, we've got the zebras and different types of animals. So today I am heading there to show my people because many people have been asking me, African Walk, could you please show us different parts of Kenya because we want to visit. And it's always good, to know different parts of Kenya so that even if you come, at least you have a clue. And so I've decided to show my people, how Kenya looks like, So today, what we're doing, or what I'm basically doing, is to take you to the Animal Orphanage, So basically, animals that are orphans. So you are welcome to be part of this channel. As you know, it's called African Walk. And we are looking at Africa through our own eyes, not the biased media. So ladies and gentlemen, we are still heading. And you can see the good thing today, there is no much traffic like the other time, Yeah, man. So like I've always asked, if you see any similarity, within African country and your country, you can just, say it on the comment section, Yeah, the way our roads look like, and even the pedestrians, how sometimes people are selling things, across the road, Yeah, man. So we are also doing, some comparisons, not in a bad way, but in a positive way, Yeah, because there are people who say that sometimes whenever they look at the African setup, it reminds them of their country. So if you see any similarities, you can also tell us. And then on the other side, you can see there is a ghetto. And now this is what some people normally do. When they come to Kenya, what they do, like they only come to places like this, then they post that is, how Kenya look like. Can I take it from outside? Yeah, you can see over there. Yeah, so that one is like a slum area, a ghetto. But some people mostly, when they come to Kenya, that is what they show you, So you might think that Kenya is like that. So we are still heading to our place, ladies and gentlemen, to go and watch the animals. Like I've told you that we are still on our way and we are in the taxi. Yeah, man. So right now we are still in the taxi and we are almost going to arrive in our destination. So my people, within a few moments or within a few minutes, I'll be there and I'll be taking you through so that you can watch the animals. So ladies and gentlemen, we've just arrived at our destination. There was a police stop behind us because anytime you come here, yeah, they have to check you. So this is the place that we are coming, and now we're looking for a parking area. So those of you who are planning to visit, this is the... Poa sana, vipi? Tuko fine na wewe? Yeah. So it's just saying hi. Niaje is a slang, saying hi. So we are looking for a parking area. Then we are going to know, how to go about it. Today my aim is to show you the animals. So this place that we have arrived is called the Animal Orphanage, and you can see the very many people that have come. That's why there's a lot of cars that are parked. So in a moment, I'll be back, talking to you. So ladies and gentlemen, I've just arrived at the Animal Orphanage, a place that I am likely, to see different types of animals. And I've just paid, behind me there is a gate that you pay when you come in. And it's an affordable rate, It's very, it's cheap. So basically here's where we are. And the good thing here, when you come, you can take a tour guide or you can decide to walk alone. But I've decided to, walk alone and see if I'm gonna see the animals, Sometimes it's good to take like an adventure. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna try and look for the animals. So those of you who are planning to come, you can come and we take a walk, because it's a big place. It's a very, very, very big place, a very, very big place. And you can see even over there is a guy who was taking a tour guide who will be helping him, But I've decided to just walk alone and see if I'm gonna see the animals. The good thing, I know most of the animals here, they have been caged. So no animal can come out and, attack you. Yeah. Another thing, you can also book a van and the tour guide will take you to a game drive. So right now, I want to try and see if I'm gonna spot where the animals are. So, ladies and gentlemen, we've just begun our journey and I'm inside the Animal Orphanage in Kenya. So those of you who are planning to come, these are some of the places you can visit. So the first animal that we've met today is a giraffe. So those of you who normally, ask for giraffe, let me zoom. I'm just next to giraffe, ladies and gentlemen. So if you visit the motherland, those of you who are planning to visit the motherland and you want to visit the giraffe, some of you have seen it on the books, on the television, and you're told it's a tall animal. So I am at a close proximity with the giraffe. I'm gonna take a closer look, man. So this is a giraffe and you can see it's very tall and it's eating, it's taking its breakfast because it's very early in the morning. So it's a friendly animal, hoping so and believing so. So as I told you, today we are in the Animal Orphanage and I am allowed to just walk around and have a good time with the animals. So the first animal we've met today is the giraffe, one of the tallest animals. So like I said, if you visit Kenya, man, and you are a fan of animals, the nature, you are gonna have a closer look at the giraffe. You're given a chance to watch it as it feeds, at a very closer look. Other than watching them in the television, here you're gonna see them live inside the Animal Orphanage. Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, I just wanna try if I can go close to the giraffe, right? So the giraffe is just behind me. Hope it's not gonna kick me.
Tell me that to be sitting.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I have to?
To be sitting.
Or like I have to stand there. So where should I stand?
In front.
Or I should stand in front of it?
Yes, and when you're looking their feet.
Yeah.
When they try to move,
yeah,
you give it space to move.
Oh, if I stand next to the giraffe, I should look at its feet?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. But you have to be careful because I've always seen them kicking.
Yeah, but the wide one.
Oh, and how strong is the...
They have a strong kick.
Oh, they have a strong kick?
Yeah, they have a strong
Oh, yeah.
They kill even a lion.
They can kill even a lion?
Yeah.
So if they can kill a lion, it means that I should be careful, right?
Yeah.
Oh, man. So you're told that, so you stand in front of it.
Yeah. We're looking their feet.
Oh, as you look at the feet.
They may step you.
Oh, yeah.
They may step in you.
So the strength of the giraffe is on the feet.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Yeah, thanks, man. Yeah, so I tried going close to a giraffe and, we've been given some advice. And I think it's good sometimes to get a tour guide, because you can think you know everything, but you don't know everything. So the good thing sometimes, look for someone who can take you around. They understand the animals. So I've been told that there is also a baby giraffe, a smaller giraffe. So let's go and also see the giraffe. And the good thing with Africa, you're able to be close to the animals and, interact with them. I'm in another location because we are still looking for the baby giraffe. But on my way, I've seen a rhino. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are still in the animal orphanage. And those of you who have always heard of a rhino, you come to Kenya. It's caged, so I can't walk inside. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna zoom here. We have a rhino. Yeah, man. So this is a rhino that it was rescued, and it was brought in this place. So this is where the rhino is staying. It was rescued from the forest. It was caught injured and brought here. So as I told you, this is an animal orphanage. And most of the animals that have been rescued, that are being endangered, that are being threatened in the animal kingdom are brought here. So those who have always heard of the rhino, if you get your chance when coming to Kenya, this is one of the places you can come. So I can also take a around and have a clear shot on the other side. But it has been caged, so maybe I have to overstay here until the time the rhino will be looking at this side. So those of you who have had the big five in Kenya, or the big five animals, rhino is one of them. So it's a bit far, I'm just trying to zoom. Yeah, man. So I'm in a place that I'm standing and able to see the rhino. So those who also want to come back to the motherland and you're a fan of animals, you can also get a chance to, see the rhino. So I've shown you the giraffe. I've also showed you the ostrich, which I'll show you again. And on my way to look at the baby giraffe, I saw this rhino. So this is the place that I am. And remember, like I told you, I'm in the animal orphanage. And this is a place that animals are being taken care of. Many animals have been rescued from that forest. There is a thick forest here. So if you go deep, there is a forest where we have got even the dangerous animals living. So those that have been, caught unwell or caught ostracised from their families, they are brought here. So we are going to take some round and we'll be back. But at the moment, we are in the rhino's den, where the rhino has just been rescued and it is here. So you can tell me in the comment section, what else would you like me to show you next time? So what I'm doing, I'm going to the next location to see if I can see another different animal. So we also have those who love the zebra. And zebra is one of the famous animals, or zebra. In Kenya you say zebra, some people call it zebra, but you can tell me. So let me just zoom. There's a zebra here. And I don't know why they've been put together with the ostrich. There is a zebra together with an ostrich, and also there's a young antelope over there, So this is a place that you are able to see different types of animals, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm not allowed to go there because, the ostrich has got a strong kick, So, but I don't know why it doesn't fear, the zebra doesn't fear it. So this is another place that I'm still within the animal orphanage. It's a very big place. And if you see over there, there's some animals. Yeah, so there are other two zebras, the antelope. You can see them feeding there. So they were just rescued and brought here, and they have been caged, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, man. So this is the place that you also get a chance to walk. And it's family friendly, ladies and gentlemen. You just come here with your family, and you walk over here as you just watch your animals, or the animals that you love, man. Yeah, so it's a good place. And I'm showing you different types of animals. So we have got zebras there and the antelopes. And then over there, if you are very keen, you can see some, some other animals there, the wild beast, you know. On the other side, if you are keen, you can see them. I'm trying to zoom because I'm standing far. Yeah, so that's also some animals. There are very many animals put here. I don't know, I've not seen the lion, but I'll try and ask, man. I'll try and ask, but I know the lion has to be caged properly. You know, you can't just, you know, leave it like that. So this is another part, man. We're still within the animal orphanage. And you can take a look, man. You can take a walk in such kind of places, you know, as you can see where I'm heading to. Yeah, man, so just taking a walk inside. As I show you the different, yeah, so this one is a reverse gear, you know. Yeah, so let me just show you where I am from. I came from all along that place, and there are very many animals here. I don't know what we should expect here. This is a leopard chewy. Oh man, I've been told there is a leopard. From this side there is a leopard. Yeah, man. Yeah. And also there is some monkeys there. Yeah. Nimeona hapi mechorwa leopard. Chui iko wapi? Iko juu? Na iko kwa miti? Hapa chini? Ai, peke yangu? Yeah, they're telling me to go alone, but he has offered to take me, man, because I'm told there's a leopard downstairs, and they're telling me to go, you know, so we are going, the two of us. So,
It's over there.
oh, the leopard is over there. Let me zoom. Where? Where's the leopard? That one is the monkey.
It's over there.
You can see a leopard? Where?
For my name.
I follow your hand?
Narara.
Like there is a house there?
No house.
Eh?
But
It's just on the tree?
it's on the tree.
And it can't jump here?
No.
I can't see it. Where's the leopard?
You can see there.
Oh, there is a leopard. Yeah. Let me try and zoom it. I don't know. There?
It's over there.
Guys, can you see the leopard? I don't know if you can see. Where is it? There? Let me just try and zoom it. Yeah, I can see a leopard there. So if I go inside here, it can attack me?
It will tear you apart.
It can tear me apart?
Yes.
And the leopard can't jump here?
No.
Why?
Because when we were building this
Yeah.
cage,
Yeah.
we measured.
Oh, you measured?
Yeah, it cannot jump outside.
Oh, yeah, I can see a leopard there.
When
Guys,
it
I don't know
will
if you can
jump,
see that leopard. Yeah, there's a leopard there. Oh, yeah, man. I think it's somewhere there. Also, somebody's not allowed to go there, right?
we bring it inside here. Inside here.
Or down there?
There is a cage inside.
Oh, there's a cage down here.
Where it sleeps.
It sleeps.
Yeah.
Can we go there, or there is not allowed?
It is not allowed.
Or there's no other zebra there? I mean, the leopard.
It's only one.
Oh, it's only one leopard?
Yeah, it's only that one.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
So, guys, we are told there is a leopard there. Not just being told, we have seen it, you know, and I'm going to zoom again, you know, so you just try and be keen. If you can see it, there, man. Yeah, man. So those who can spot the leopard, yeah, you're lucky. So let me go to another destination. Thank you, boss. And what about the lions? Do you have the lions? No, I didn't see the lion.
You see it?
No, I didn't see the lion.
Oh, yeah.
There is a lion?
Lions are there.
Where are the lions?
But you can go,
Yeah.
you enter inside that house.
I can enter that house. Yeah.
Then you focus it.
Oh, if I enter that house, I can focus the lion.
Very clear.
Oh, yeah, I can see a lion there. Guys, we're lucky. I'm being told. Oh, I can see the. Eh?
You want to catch it.
Yeah. Let me zoom the lion. Let me try and see if I can zoom the lion. Where is it? Yeah. Also,
No,
yeah.
you just go inside that house.
Oh, I go inside that house.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna zoom the lion.
You will catch it.
Oh, so I'm gonna catch it. One,
There are
two.
two,
All
female
right.
And the male.
Also, there is a female lion. So you're telling me to go the other?
On the other side.
Oh, like this way?
You can,
Also, I go from this and then I enter inside?
yeah,
Okay.
inside that house.
Yeah, I'm coming back.
Yes.
Yeah, so guys, we are lucky, man. We are lucky. Guys, we are lucky. You know, how do you come and, to watch animals and you don't see a lion? So we've just seen 2 lions. Let me just zoom in. So where I'm standing, if I just make a mistake, and jump here, I'm finished. Let me show you guys. Let me show you the lions. Let me show you the lions. See this house? Okay, so I want us to go carefully. I want to zoom. I want to zoom. I want to zoom. You see the 2 lions? If I try jumping inside, I'm finished. So I am going to go close there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go there. I think I'm going to get you a clear focus of the lion. So let's do it. Yes, so we are going to also, watch the lions, because if you come to the animal orphanage and you don't see the lions, man, it means that you've not... Salam alaikum. Habari yako? Yeah, so I'm just heading to the lion area. Hopefully everything is good, because the only thing that's going to separate me from the lion is the glass. My goodness. So these guys are telling me that this glass is strong. And there was also a leopard up, man. How about if that leopard jumps down, man? But these guys are making me to start doubting, man. Now let me go inside here. Let me have a close look with the lion. So guys, see what's happened. So the lion is staring right at me. The lion is staring right at me. So these guys want me to trust. Whew. You guys want me to trust? Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm just at a close proximity with the lion. You can see behind me, there is a lion. And this guy, these guys are telling me to trust this glass, man. So let me see. Oh my goodness. So there is the lion here. Hello, Mr. Lion, Simba. How you doing? Wagwan. Midea. What's up, Mr. Lion? Man, I'm friendly. Please. Man, this thing is scary. Oh my goodness. And there's another lion there. The female. Oh, man. Guys, it's standing. It's standing. Guys, it's coming. Oh my goodness. You can see it. When it sees me, it's trying to... So it's telling me to go inside. Guys, man, you want to tell me this lion can't jump? So the lion is here. When it saw me, it's coming closer. When the lion saw me, it's coming closer. You know when they see a human being? Whew. So we are heading closer. Okay, let me just zoom the lion. You see when it sees? See. Guys, see. Let me come close to the lion. Wagwan? Mr. Lion? I'm friendly. Okay, where's the wife? There's the wife. The wife is there. Can I put my hand? Yeah? So we have the lion here. So guys, you visit Kenya, you are able to watch lion at a close range. What I'm doing, I am at a very close proximity. Now look at the wife is coming. It's like they want to attack, man. Look at what is happening. The wife is there. The male and the female lions. Yeah, man, how you doing? So they can't come out. So we are here, ladies and gentlemen. My camera is just in front of the lions. So a wrong move. And welcome, people. That is the female lion. I'm at just a close proximity, man, with the lion. Let me try and, that is the, where's the lioness? The female? Oh, that's the female. And then this one with the fur is there. Yeah, so guys, we are here. Let me just show you where I am. Let me try if I can take selfie with them. So I am just there. And the thing separating me with the lion is, what about if they jump, man? A wrong move. Man, these things look scary, man. Yeah, man. So if you plan to visit Kenya, That's what you can see just behind me, the lions. Just trusting this cage behind me. So ladies and gentlemen, those of you who want to come to Africa and see the animals, you see such kind of animals. And so let me show you again. They really want me to go inside. And if I go inside here, yeah. Me people, yeah man, looking good, husband and wife, female and male, you know, two people. I can't believe I'm staring a lion. I'm looking at you, man. Yeah man, let me go because, thanks bro. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah. And the leopard is over there, right? And the leopard can't jump?
It can't because of the electricity.
Oh, the electricity fence? Yeah, so we are safe. So another animal around here? Oh, the giraffe?
Yes.
Yeah, I've seen the giraffe. So guys, we've seen the lion and it was like, it's, guys, I'm not lying to you. Standing next to a lion is not a joke in as much as they are put there. But you know, anything can happen. We are human beings. And let me go back to the lion area because this is where I wanted. You know, let me show you from this glass. The thing that separates me from this lion is this glass, man. So I'm going to show you the lions from here. And once they see a human being, they come closer, man. You know, the lions come closer. So these guys are telling me that that is the male lion. See, that one with the fur. And then the other one is the female lion. One wrong move. African walk in Africa, showing you the things, you know. Yeah, if you want to know how the thing go, come to Africa and you're gonna see them. But I still don't trust this glass, man. I think I should live here. So my people, you can see it's passing some urine, the male lion. So I am just close, you know, with the lion. Let me show you where I am, ladies and gentlemen. Let me take a video selfie. And this is where I am. The lions are just behind me. So one wrong move. And yeah. So let me see if I can see other animals. At least you guys, you've seen the lion. And these are some of the places you can visit in Africa. And we will bring you close. You know, there is a glass here, but the lion is strong, man. So we are heading to another location, and that is a place that I've seen the lions. So we've also seen the cheetah there. If you come, this is the place that they tell you about the lions, you know. Yeah, and usually lions run from people, men and women, but lions have been known to eat people, men and women too. Lucky for us, this only happens when there's almost nothing else to eat. Believe it or not, one real angry lion is said to have eaten 90 people. But not 90 people, one angry lion. Guys, I need to live. These guys are telling me that, you know, they're saying, I'm reading there, they're saying that one hungry lion can eat, you know, up to 90 people. Then you want me to still stay there? Yeah, so let me see if I can show you another thing. But the good thing, at least I've shown you the rhino. I've shown you the lion. Yeah, man. I've also shown you the antelopes, which are still here where I am. The antelopes, you know, and the zebras, right? Yeah. So you can see the zebras, the lions, the wild beast, and then there is also an ostrich there. The good thing, the ostrich is near. Let me take a closer look, you know, of the ostrich, which is going to be fantastic idea. You know, those of you who have never seen an ostrich, you're going to have a closer look. So this is an ostrich. It is just next to me. But I can't go next to it because when an ostrich kicks you, you're going to feel it, man. Yeah. So this is an ostrich is feeding, and they are feeding, you know, next to the zebra. So it's a nice place, my people. Those who want to visit Kenya, you're going to enjoy. Kenya is the best. We say Hakuna Matata. Jimmy Cliff, a Jamaican artist, sang a song dedicated to the Kenyan slogan, Hakuna Matata, means no worries. So let me see if I can show you another animal. Yeah, so I can give you a closer zoom. Yeah, we've got the baboons here, very friendly, and it's so big, man. Look at this one. Yeah, so you also need to be Yeah, I think that is the wife. You can see the female baboon there. I mean the male baboon with the wife. And maybe they're having a conversation, a couple conversation. So it's good we give them some privacy because they also need privacy, It's like we're interfering with their, moment. So you can also see the animals live, interacting and mating. Yeah. So it's a wonderful place that you just walk around and you see the baboon. Look at this one. Let me show you how the back of a baboon looks like. Look at that, man. You can see a baboon over there. The very main here. And what I've realized with this area I've got a lot. And first it takes the kid when he's running away, like this one, it's running with the kid, Yeah. Once they see a stranger and they don't trust you, yeah. Man, there is a very big baboon in front of us. Oof. This baboon needs, for you to walk past it, you just need courage. Ladies and gentlemen, I am just surrounded by baboons, man. Look at this one. Let me just zoom this one. This one is just right in front of me. It is drinking some water. Look at it, man. So big. Look at how big it is. Let me just zoom. So those of you who love animals and who love nature, you are welcome to Africa, and you are gonna be able to see this live. Instead of watching Nat Geo, Africa makes you to watch this live. So I am just next to the baboon. Remember, I was going to look for other animals, but I saw a very good path whereby you can see them baboons, man. So here you just get a closer look where I am at the moment exactly. You see, the baboons are just behind me. So Africa is a wonderful place and a good place. And I've got another good place whereby the baboons are just, surrounding me. So let me go back and see if I can, see another animal. Yeah, man. So the baboon is here. They look lovely. Let me zoom it close. How are you, boss? How you doing? What's up, man? Yeah, so the baboon is just relaxing and chilling. You can see it over there. Yeah, man. So let's see if we're gonna find other animals. I know I've shown you a lot of baboon. The good thing, there's also some river there. You can feel it as it's flowing. Yeah, so it's just a forest. But you're not advised to go inside there alone because now that one is the thick forest. You can see how thick it is. It extends to all that region, So guys, on my way out, I've also met a lot of baboons, just standing here. And you always have to just relax once you take your walk because they are not dangerous. They are very friendly. You can see them. Yeah, this is a place that we've got a lot of baboons. So that is the place that we're walking. And others are in front of me. So me people, it has been nice being with you. And now we've come to the end. But as I leave this place, I'm still gonna vlog and see if I can see some animals next to me. So you are gonna see a lot of animals in Kenya. And today we had got the privilege that as I was taking you through, we could see a lot of baboons just next to us, even right now, Yeah, man. And they're very friendly. They are, not attacking people. Yeah, the baboons here. So in front of me, there is also another one big. There's also a big baboon. And you can see it there. Yeah, man. You can see them here. Oh, they just passed. Ladies and gentlemen, you have to take heart. Yeah, the good thing, they're friendly. So let me go back and see if I can show you another place. But the good thing today, we've seen a lot, man. I've got two baboons just in front of me, and they're very courageous, And I think there's a male and a female. They're having their good time, man. You know, let me just squat and have a closer look. So these two baboons are just also next to me, you know, and they are having their time, man. The baboons are also intelligent. They look at you. Are you courageous? If you're not courageous, they're like, so you can see these two. They're having their good moments. Me people, how are you doing, man? Yeah, I can see, I don't know what's happening here, but maybe the other one, you know, maybe this other one cheated, you know, and she has been caught. We say, yeah, I get a ban, you know, yeah, I get a ban, you know, or maybe the other baboon was given, you know, we say you are given a, how do you say? The baboon was given a jacket, maybe found out the child was not his, you know, you say you are given a jacket or a waistcoat, you know, so they're having some conversation. Maybe they're trying to talk to each other if they're going to do a DNA test. Yeah, because this is a couple, they're just trying to have their, you know, their talks, man. And I'm just next to them, ladies and gentlemen. So that was on my way to try and also see if I'm gonna see some cheetahs. So, me people, we are still in Africa. And like I told you, our aim is to show you how Africa look like. I've been told there is a cheetah here, and I'm trying to see if I can get the cheetah. Habari yako boss? Nataka kuona cheetah iko pale. Na iwezi ruka? Uko sure? Hey, siruke? I'm asking him that, is he sure that the cheetah can't jump, man? Yeah, I'm happy today because I've shown you the rhino, the lion, and now here I'm showing you the cheetah. So let me show you. So those of you who have heard about the cheetah, I've shown you the leopard, it was on the tree, but now here we've got two cheetahs. Yeah, so at a closer look. So you can see some two cheetahs over here. Let me put my camera there. What's up, cheetahs? How you doing? Yeah, man. I'm friendly and I've just come to interact with you, but I don't trust you guys because I might come inside there and you might, you know, you might betray me. So let me just check you from outside here. Why are you running, me people? Yeah, you can see the cheetahs. Some of them are, the other one has seen me. It's trying to hide. Maybe it's lying to me that it's shying off so that I can go close to them. So the cheetah is running. We've got two cheetahs over there. Ladies and gentlemen, let me just zoom. So those of you who love the animals, you can see them live. So we have the cheetah. This is their cage over here. Let me just go back and show you where I am. You know, this is where I am. Okay. So the cheetah is there and I am here, you know, but if I like, I can go there and there is a fence here. So this is what separates us with the cheetahs. So you can see it there. Let me zoom it for you again. That's the cheetah and it is going down, it's running down because the other cheetahs also gone down. The other cheetahs also ran down. Yeah, man. So those of you who always want to see the cheetah, at least today I have shown you and at least we've seen the lion. Oh, they have come closer. Let me try if I can get that shot, man. Yeah, the cheetahs, they're just now next to me here. Oh, this is nice. You can see them play. Listen to their voice. Yeah, man. So these are the cheetahs. I've got a closer look. Yeah, these animals are deadly. If you just try going inside there, man. So Africa is a beautiful place, man. You are able to have a look at all these animals. Look at them. This is not Nat Geo, but this one is African Walk Geo, you know. Yeah, so we've got two cheetahs and they're just having a good time, man. Yeah, man. So this is the beauty of Africa. You're able to watch all this. It's a blessed continent. So as we also said, that those who love the animals and would like, you know, to just watch them closely, have a closer look, Kenya is the best destination. And we still welcome you to the motherland. And we believe that all our people in the Caribbean, the Americas, you know, all the parts, UK, Australia, that feel they are part of the family, you are welcomed. And when you visit, you are able, you know, to have a closer look at these beautiful animals. So let me see if I'm gonna show you other animals. But the good thing is that today, at least you guys have seen the lions, you know, you've seen the rhino, you know. Yeah, I don't know what's up inside this house, But let me just check. There is a small house here. I don't know what's inside this house. Maybe there is an animal put inside here. Yeah. So this one is also, it's a place that you can see the cheetahs. Yeah. So, yeah, I think there is a glass here that also protects you. Yeah, and it's a very tough glass, so you can see the cheetahs. So let me try and ask them around if there is any other animal left. But I think today I've seen a lot of animals, and I've also showed you a lot of animals. Yeah, so the motherland. And you can also as well come here and book a tour guide, and you pay for a car. That is an extra cost. And now they will take you within the deep forest, where now you can see the real animals in the jungle. You know, the lions fighting, eating the antelopes. Like over there, we've got some cars, man. We've got, those are the tourist cars, and you can see them over there. So we've got people who are, you know, who are booking those cars for safari. And the cars can take you close to the animals. So you've got two options, you know. You can take like the option that I took, whereby you're just a solo traveler within here. But now, if you want to go deep within the forest, you can take, there is a car there, but at an extra cost. And man, they are going to take you inside. So you're going to see different lions, you know, in the real jungle now, fighting the cheetahs, you know, the zebras, you know, the lions eating the antelopes. Because as I've told you, the forest is so big and thick, you know. You see there is the forest extends to that area. So you book a car, they'll drive you within. So many people, we are still trying to showcase different parts of Africa. And when they tell you that, you know, we live with animals, what they don't tell you is that the animals have been kept in a very good environment, and we also just come and watch them, you know. Yeah, even as we can't go there, because if you go there, the lion gonna attack you, man. Yeah, so me people, still, I'll always emphasize and tell you, you are welcome in the motherland, because the motherland offers you, you know, a good place, you know, to experience Africa and know it better, you know. Yeah, so you're able to see different animals and also watch the beauty of Africa, because we believe that this is the motherland and it's a very, very beautiful place, you know. Yeah, man. So this is the place that, as I told you, I'm back in the Baboon area, and I love this place because as you walk, you know, you just find that the way it has been made, yeah, even walking is just enjoyable, you know. And there people can walk until down there just to watch the baboons. Yeah, so it's a very wonderful place with a thick forest. Thick forest. But once you go inside the deep forest, you need a tour guide and you need to be in a car, because man is not a joke. That is where the real wild animals are. So we are still taking a walk, and we are going back. But the good thing, these are places that you are also going to see the baboons, and I've showed you. So let me just go next to them, because the good thing here, people are just walking. So ladies and gentlemen, as I've said, we've come to the end of our trip today. I was just trying to take you through the Kenyan safari. We call it safari walk. Safari means journey, you know. So I just came to an animal orphanage, a place whereby you can see the animals. And I decided to, you know what, let me just show my people how Africa looks like. And today my aim was to just show you, you know, different animals. And the good thing is that I've taken you through and you've seen the animals. So that is Africa, and I will be showing you different things. You know, we've traveled to testing Jamaican food. Today we are here now, the animals in Africa. Until next time, you people, I'm African Walk, and I love you so much. What I'm doing is to just showcase Africa, and we welcome you to visit Africa, because once you visit, you're able to see different things. Hapa pia kuna exit? Okay. Yeah, so until next time, we are going to show you more. But those of you who have never visited the motherland and you know you're planning a trip and you'd like to be part of the motherland, you're welcome, you know, because you are going to see a lot of things. So if you loved the video, you can tell me what you'd love to see next and which places I should go next so that I can show you the different parts of the motherland. Because remember, our aim is to unite with our brothers out of Africa. You know, we want to be part of the family. We know you are part of our family. We are not going to allow people who want to divide us. So you can tell me what you want us. Yeah, Nshamaliza. Yeah, asante. Okay. Yeah. So you can tell that's just a policewoman, a soldier. They are deployed here just to protect, and they are very friendly. In fact, she showed me around when I came, you know. Yeah, that is just to show you how our, you know, the men in uniform or the women in uniform are also friendly. So as I finish, I said, next time, any place you want me to go, you can tell me in the comment section, and we can try and show you another part. So for today, I end my trip here. Remember, I was in Animal Orphanage, and we are still planning to show you more. We say in Patois, little more. Goodbye, me people, and you are welcome to the motherland.